How to make video with picture and music on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can create a video using picture and music on Instagram. The process is quick and easy, so without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Instagram app and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you have opened the app, simply swipe right to access the story creation page. And here you can upload a photo or video as your background. For this video, I'll use a simple black screen. So once you click the photo, and here in the up side you can see the different option. From that option, simply select second one, and from there a pop-up menu will appear. From that menu, simply tap on the option label photos. Now choose the photo that you want to use. For this video, I'll select two photos for the demonstration. And once you have added, you can move the position as needed. And you can repeat this step for additional images. And now it's time to add music. So simply click on the music icon at the top, and from there simply select the music that you want to add. And once selected, you can decide whether to add just the music, display lyrics, or include it in your story. For this video, I'll only choose music, and once you're happy with everything, you can simply tap on the share button by tapping on arrow icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen and tapping on the share. And that's it. That's how you can make a video with picture and music on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.